Welcome to the world of Duke. Duke's out and about today. Duke's running around. Duke's tearing it up here in South Carolina as we assess the damage from the storms. And there's been a lot of storms. We had a hurricane last week. A tornado early this morning. Trees are down. Power lines are down. Cables down. Oh my God. I can't watch wrestling. Oh. Won't be nothing on the old squat box to watch in the morning, will they? Duke, you got a stripe. I think you're a dingo. Duke, are you a dingo? Are you a dingo? You act like a dingo, like a dingbat. You act like a dingbat, dude. I'll be glad when you get older. Oh. Duke's investigating the limb over there. Duke wants to see a Bigfoot rip it down. Wah, wah, wah. Nah, Duke probably is because Duke's trying to figure out how'd that limb get down? I just don't understand it. I'm gonna run some more. I'm gonna run some more. Duke's got a stripe down that ass like a Tasmanian tiger. Now, Duke's got a stripe. Why you got a stripe? Because you like that evil thing from that movie Gremlins, ain't you? Somebody ought to call you Stripe. So, if you think Duke's a dingo, be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you think Duke's a total dumbass, you can let me know that too in the comments below. Because when I look at Duke, I keep hearing the big words. You like that, huh? What? You hear something? I hear something too. That was weird, wasn't it, Duke? Oh. Okay, dingo. You ready to wrap it up? Don't you roll over and act stupid or something? Or just run off? Okay, whatever. Go ahead, do your little rollover. Ah!